Now, Vodacom has finally settled with Kenneth Nkosana Makate, also known as Please Call Me, over the long-standing dispute regarding the popular Please Call Me service. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Vodacom announced on the 5th of November 2025 that it has reached an out-of-court settlement with Mr. Makate, bringing an end to a nearly 2 decades of legal battle. Now, the exact settlement amount remains confidential and will be reflected in Vodacom's interim results for the 6 months ending on September the 30th, 2025, which will be released on November the 10th. And just a brief background, Mr. Makate was a Vodacom employee, claimed he was promised compensation for his idea, which generated billions in revenue for the company. Now, the dispute began in 2008 and went through various court proceedings. Now, Vodacom initially offered Makate 47 million, which he rejected, claiming that his idea was worth far more than what they were offering. He said the idea is worth around 9.7 billion. Now, the Supreme Court of Appeal later ruled that Mr. Makate was entitled to between 5% and 7.5% of the revenue generated from the service over an 18-year period, potentially amounting to billions. Now, as part of the settlement, Vodacom has withdrawn its appeal to the Supreme Court of Appeal and abandoned the High Court judgment issued on the 8th of February 2022. Now, both parties have expressed satisfaction with the settlement, bringing finality to the dispute. The settlement marks the end of a long and complex legal battle between Vodacom and Mr. Makate. Now, this settlement allows both parties to move forward, and the terms will be disclosed in Vodacom's upcoming interim results. And with that being said, I just want to say well done to Mr. Makate. I hope the amount that he received, it's an amount that he deems to be fair. And also, I just want to say thank you to Vodacom for doing what is right. It might have taken long for them to get to this point, but at the end of the day, they did what is right. Sizowathumela lawo ma-please call. And also, if you want to support my channel, please do so by being a member. And you are a member by subscribing. And to those who have subscribed, I just want to say thank you. And then also you can go on my bio to check other ways of supporting this channel. And if there's a product that you are selling or a service that you are rendering and you just need a platform to market your business, this is the platform. Send me a DM, I'll send you my rate card. And also I realized we have more people viewing my videos than those who are following me. So if this is not the first time you see my video, please do check if you are following me. And if you are not, just make sure that you click on that follow button. And after that, click on that subscription button so you can be a member of the channel. Thank you to those who are following, liking, sharing, and subscribing.